Parents, I want to start this math lesson by talking to you for a minute. I always taught math in our classroom small group. It's called guided math. It's sort of like guided reading. I had students of different levels meet with me, and I could then really help them with manipulatives because at this age, number sense is really what we're working on, and we do everything with manipulatives. By it being small group, I was able to work one-on-one with students a majority of the time. I could assess real quickly where they were and where their understanding was of a certain concept and be able to extend the lesson further for an individual or pull it back to get a better foundational skill, a better understanding of a certain foundational skill that they needed to be successful where we were as a class. So teaching remotely is not ideal for me with such littles who need to be manipulating the numbers because my goal is just a really strong number sense. So I want you, when you see this current unit we're going to do, to just be aware of where your student is. And there's no need for them to do this at all. If they do not have one-to-one counting, where they could say, how many dots are here? Let's touch and count them. 1, 2. Let's build that. Oh, 1, 2. If they don't have this yet, that's okay. Just work on the reference guide I sent you with all the things we have done already because we want these foundational skills really solid, and that is fine that is where they are. I would just be working with them there. But this is our next unit, and it is breaking apart numbers. It is just seeing that numbers are made up of different combinations and understanding number sense. So here we go. Faye, will you touch these dots and count how many dots there are?
1, 2.
2 dots, okay. Can you put a little dog on each of the dots and build it for me? 2 dogs. Now, I'm gonna take my pencil and split the doggies. How many dogs are on this side of the pencil?
1.
How many doggies are on this side of the pencil?
1.
Okay, so what if we had this split up here? 1 dog and 1 dog is the same as
2 dogs.
2 dogs because 2 can be split into 1 and
1.
oh, so 1 and 1 is the same as
2.
1 and 1 is the same as 2. Okay. Faye, count how many dots I have here.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, can you build that number 3 for me with dogs? Okay, count them again.
1, 2, 3.
3 dogs, okay. I'm gonna split them here. How many dogs are on this side?
2.
Can you touch and count them for me?
1, 2.
How many dogs are on this side?
1.
Oh, so let's split them again. So we have how many dogs?
2.
And
1.
is the same as?
3.
2 and 1 is the same as 3. Wow, so 3 can be 3. Look at this. 3. But 3 can also be 2 and 1. Is there another way that 3 could be, Faye?
Mm-hmm.
Show me. Oh, you are just into 2 parts.
Mm-mm.
What if I had...
It's still 1 and 2.
Uh-huh, but it was on this side, right?
Mhm.
So 3 can be 2 and 1. 3 can also be
1 1 and 2.
1 and 2. Okay. Faye, count how many dots I have here.
1, 2, 3, 4.
All right, build those dots with doggies for me.
1, 2, 3, 4.
All right. I'm gonna split it here. Now, will you tell me how many dogs are on this side?
2,
And how many dogs are on this side?
2,
All right, so let's see. 2 and
2,
is the same as?
4.
Oh, that's cool. 2 and 2 is the same as 4. See, I had 4. But if I had 2 and 2, it's the same as 4. Build the doggies on the dots again for me. Okay, what if I split it right here?
There's 3 on this side and 1 on that side.
So,
3 and 1 is the same as 4.
yeah, because look, here's 4. I could also say that 3 and 1 is the same as 4. That's pretty cool. Let's see. Faye, count how many dots we have.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5 dots. Build them with doggies for me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
All right. I'm gonna split it right there. How many doggies do I have on this side?
3,
And how many doggies do I have on this side?
2.
So,
3 and 2 is 5.
yeah, 3 and 2 is 5. If I had 3 and 2 doggies, I would have 5 doggies. If I had all 5, it's 5. So 3 and 2 is the same as
5.
5.